How to recover deleted Facebook messages. Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you two methods to recover your deleted Facebook messages. First things first, head over to Facebook's website on your computer or open Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, click on the three lines, and a menu will drop down. From there, look for the option that says Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will bring up even more options for you to choose from. Next, click on Settings from the expanded menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust all sorts of settings for your Facebook account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with various options. Look for the one that says Download your information and give it a click. Then click on Continue on the next page, click on Download or Transfer Information. Now, choose the profile you wish to download and click Next. Then click on specific types of information. Scroll down and select Messages. Then click on Next. On the next screen, select Download to Device and click on Next. Once you've selected everything you want to include, click on the Create File button at the bottom of the page. Facebook will now start generating your backup file, which might take a few minutes depending on how much information you're including. When your backup is ready, Facebook will send you a confirmation email or notification. Just click on the link provided and follow the on-screen instructions to download your backup file. Keep in mind that the time it takes for Facebook to generate your backup can vary depending on how many conversations you have in your inbox and how much other information you've included. Second method, open up the Messenger app on your Android, iPhone, or iPad. So, many people end up choosing the archive option instead of going through the process of deleting it entirely. Here's a quick tip. If you had deleted the message permanently, you would have seen a warning message letting you know that the deletion is permanent and that there's no way to bring the message back. So, if you don't remember seeing a message like that, chances are your conversation is waiting for you in the archive. All right, now that we've got that sorted out, let's get to the nitty-gritty of retrieving your archived conversation. First, tap on your profile photo located at the top left corner of the Messenger app. This will bring up a menu of options. Look for the option that says Archive Chats and give it a tap. A list of all the chats you've archived will appear. Now find the conversation you thought was deleted and swipe left on it. This will reveal a set of options, and among them you'll see either Unarchive Chat or Unarchive, depending on your device. Give that a tap, and just like magic, your conversation will be restored to your inbox, ready for you to pick up where you left off. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you will recover your deleted Facebook messages. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section below.